for the third day in a row. An unprecedented traffic snarl-up of commercial trucks continues to build. That build-up stretching over 50 kilometers from Malaba today. The deepening crisis visible from the Malaba border post to Manyanja market has triggered talks between Kenya and Uganda to resolve the crisis.
This is a story that has developed, and I'm sure that our East African Community Ministry that is charged with relationships between the East African Community states is on top of these and having discussions. These are matters that require a diplomatic approach and discussions to be able to solve them, and I'm sure that the government is on it to try to discuss and see.
Truckers who have been stranded here for days are protesting, getting tested for COVID-19 a second time at the Malaba border, resulting in a massive gridlock along the Bungoma-Malaba highway. The bone of contention between the two countries is a new regulation introduced by Ugandan authorities, requiring the drivers to pay $65, which is an equivalent of 6,500 Kenya shillings for testing before being granted access.
Charges Uganda imekuwa high. Sasa hakuna tajiri ama dereva anaweza afford hiyo kutoa $65 kwa wiki mbili. Sasa inabidi watoto wakimbilie upande wa Kenya. That's why unaona hii jama isongi. Tangu jana tuko hapa.
Something may have happened to move Uganda to that position. We shall be able to know in due time what the issues are, and I'm sure that there will be discussion and dialogue.
The contentious regulation contradicting the East African Community Protocol, which provides that a COVID-19 negative certificate from any member country is sufficient for the driver's entry to any other member country. The truckers have now vowed not to proceed with their journeys until Kenya and Uganda resolve the testing crisis.
Ifikia kupimwa hatutapota bidi kampuni simamie. Na kampuni kisimamia nao pengine ongeze bei ya kubeba mzigo kwenye mzigo. Na hiyo itakuwa pigo kwetu. Tutaumia, tutasaidika kwa vyovyote.
Kulipa hata shilingi 200 sisi hatuwezi kubali kutoa hiyo. Hatuna hiyo pesa. Kwanza hatutaki kupimwa, tumeshapimwa sana. Mimi niko na certificate karibu 20.
Mmerudi penye mlikuwa? There were 212 cases of COVID-19 from 3,937 samples tested over the last 24 hours, a positivity rate of 5.4%. The caseload rising to 34,705. 4 patients succumbed to the disease, taking the tally to 585 since the pandemic struck. 195 patients recovered from the disease, 141 of them under the home-based care program, and 54 were discharged from various hospitals.